is a setting spray that you should try. Hello everyone! So this is our first impression on Super Base. Yan. So binili na natin ang Super Base ni Colorette. Dahil, setting spray is life, we have to try this out. Ang usually na ginagamit ko na for the longest time is yung Dazzle Me. Like, it works like crazy. Now we will try this one because meron siyang hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. So this is not just a setting spray, but this is also skincare. Kabog, diba? So we will try this and sana po hindi sira yung nozzle. Sana po hindi sira yung nozzle. Okay. So nadasalan na natin siya. Sana hindi siya sira. Ito ang magpapastay sa mga products natin. Let's go! Ayun, wala. Ayun, meron! Wow! Ang fine ng mist. Mist? Ang fine niya! Hindi nasisira. Hindi pa nasisira. Okay? Okay ka pa. Very good ka. So, I think, wala siyang smell na anything. Wala. Fresh lang. Fresh water. Ganon. Setting and fixing in one. Demi-matte finish. Isa pa nga. Okay pa. Okay pa yung nozzle. Okay ka pa sa akin. We'll see how it works. But for me, okay siya. Kailangan dasalan nyo lang talaga. Huwag kang masisira. Ayun. I love the mist. Talagang wide yung coverage ng mist. I love it. Yung parang hindi gumanon sa mukha mo yung setting spray. May nalagay ba? Meron naman. Meron namang nalagay. For me, first impression, goods ka sa akin. Iba din to, no? Super Base. Ay, mali.